enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the world of O.Bot and SuperMISSO, two cutting-edge tools designed to supercharge your engagement with decentralized ecosystems. Let's break it down. First up, what exactly is O.Bot? O.Bot is an advanced utility bot crafted for decentralized ecosystems, especially the O.XYZ platform. Imagine having a smart assistant that automates tasks, manages staking, and bridges the gap between you and blockchain-based infrastructures. That's O.Bot. Now let's talk features. O.Bot makes staking and rewards management a breeze. You can easily stake your tokens, get insights into staking pools, rewards, and APY, annual percentage yield. Features like add reward versus staking offer flexibility for both contributors and participants. But it doesn't stop there. O.Bot tracks user performance metrics across ecosystems, providing detailed reports on staking, reward collection, and transaction history. The user interface is intuitive, perfect for managing tasks like staking, governance participation, and token utility. It even sends automated alerts and notifications to keep you updated on rewards and governance decisions. And get this, O.Bot supports multiple decentralized ecosystems, ensuring seamless integration across various dApps and platforms like the O.XYZ. Now onto SuperMISSO. SuperMISSO is a mission-based rewards engine within the O ecosystem. It gamifies ecosystem engagement by offering tasks, challenges, and campaigns for users to complete and earn rewards. Imagine completing missions like promoting the ecosystem, providing liquidity, or participating in governance and getting rewards in tokens or NFTs. SuperMISSO adds gamified elements to the mix like leaderboards, badges, and exclusive incentives, driving community growth by rewarding active participants. The best part, SuperMISSO is seamlessly integrated into O.Bot. You can track your missions, progress, and rewards directly through the bot interface. And those rewards, often in the form of $O coin or $RWT, which you can use for staking, governance, or trading within the platform. So how do O.Bot and SuperMISSO work together? Think of O.Bot as the gateway to SuperMISSO. It simplifies access to missions, manages rewards, and keeps you updated on tasks. SuperMISSO provides the engaging content, missions, that O.Bot facilitates. While O.Bot is your operational tool, SuperMISSO drives community engagement and participation through structured incentives. The result, a streamlined, seamless user experience. Ready to get started? Access O.Bot through the O.XYZ ecosystem supported platforms like Discord, Telegram, or a web portal. Connect your decentralized wallet to interact with staking and mission features. Browse available missions in SuperMISSO, complete tasks, and claim rewards, all through the bot interface. Then use O.Bot's staking feature to utilize rewards earned from SuperMISSO, monitor staking pools, and optimize your returns. There you have it, your ultimate guide to mastering O.Bot and SuperMISSO. Dive in, explore, and make the most of these powerful tools. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.